Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox my August fab bag. August is my birthday month, so I'm really excited to see what products I got in my birthday fab bag. So this month's fab bag looks quite like this. I really love the design. Actually, I like this kind of bags. You can fold it up to make it smaller, and if you have more products to carry, so you can just unfold it and pack in your luggage. So I really love this kind of pouches. In this month's bag we got 5 products. 4 of them are full size and 1 is a mini sample size. Before starting off with the products, let me tell you that Fatback has kindly sent me a 10% off code for all my lovely subscribers. So this is the code right here. If you are planning to subscribe to Fatback for 3 months, 6 months and 12 months, then you can use this code. This will give you an instant 10% off on your Fatback orders. Let's just move on to the unboxing. So the first product in my hand, I got this Mom's Therapy coffee body scrub. Now if you know me, you know how much I love coffee and chocolate in my bath and body products. I have used coffee scrubs in the past and they are absolutely amazing. They work great for your skin. It doesn't seem really harsh to your skin, but effectively cleanses out your skin, exfoliates it and adds a little glow to your skin. This is why I love coffee scrubs. Another reason is that I am a coffee lover. I'm a coffee addict. Like if I smell coffee, I have to get it. So this is how it looks. It's very soft sand like texture, but it won't be really harsh because I have used coffee scrubs before. They all come in this texture and they doesn't do any harm to your skin. I am absolutely ready to use this in my next shower and I think I'm gonna love it. I know I'm gonna love it. Smell is amazing, guys. It smells exactly like coffee, and as far as I can see some coffee granules as well as some brown sugar in it. It also has black sesame oil and vitamin E and glycerin, so it's gonna do some great work for your skin as well as it will keep your body moisturized because it has glycerin. I can't wait to try it out, guys. The coffee scrub is a full-size product and the price is 325 rupees. Next we have this nail polish. It's called the Colorfix New York Perfect Stay Nail Polish and this is the shade 121. They don't have a shade name but they have a number which is 121. I really love receiving nail polishes in my fab bag. I have received quite a few in the past and this is another one, and I really love this color because festive season is coming. We don't know if we can enjoy ourselves during the festive times, but we can certainly paint on nails and pretend that we are having a festive time. So I'm really looking forward to that. This is another full-size product and the price is 199 rupees. The next 3 products are of my choice. Like we got to choose these 3 products. The first 2 are makeup and the last one is a body care product. The first one is this Disguise Velvet Glow Multi Stick. So this actually could be used as your eyeshadow. You can use it as a highlighter and they have multiple shades in this range. I have used Disguise product before. I think I got one liquid lipstick in one of my fab bags. You guys must have known that. This brand is really nice because the product quality I really love. This doesn't contain any paraben, any lead, and it's cruelty free and it's 100% vegan. I really love this kind of products which can be used in multiple ways because that saves your space. You can carry it with you. You don't have to carry multiple products with you while you are traveling. So we got to choose a shade this time and I chose this shade 64 Rose Gold Stormborn, and let me show you the product. This is the product. This comes like in a crayon packaging and this is how it looks, and this is the shade. As I just applied it on my hand, I can see that the texture is really butter like and it glides on really smoothly. It's very lightweight and blends like magic. It's really good, guys. The only thing I saw is that it's little less in pigmentation, but the shade is quite buildable so that you don't have to worry about that. This is another full-size product and the price is 600 rupees. Next makeup item is this Nelf lipstick powder matte with argan oil. I have used it in the past and I think I used it in my Durga Puja look that I did last year last to last year. This time we got to choose a shade, and last time I had chosen the red one, and this is the Powder Matte PM105, which is a really nice magenta pink color. So here is the packaging of this bullet, and this is the shade. This is the shade. It's a very nice magenta pink color. One thing I want to tell you about this lipstick is that, as the name suggests, it's a very nice powdery matte finish. I really love this finish because it doesn't feel like you have matte lipstick on, like the matte lipsticks that give you the dryness in your lips. It isn't like that. It gives you a very comfortable wear. It's long lasting and it doesn't dry out your lips, and it also doesn't accentuate your lip lines, like the fine lines on your lips, which I have a lot. So yeah, this one is a must have. This is also a full size product and the price is $450, which again makes me happy because mostly good matte lipsticks are on the expensive side. So I really love the price point of this product. Last one, as I mentioned, we got to choose a body care product from Palmer's, and I got this coconut oil formula antioxidant firming lotion. I have never used a firming lotion, so I was really excited to try this one out. Palmer's is a really nice product. They are very moisturizing, very nourishing to your skin. This one smells exactly like coconut. The smell is really nice. Like, the smell is a mood lifter. I really love this kind of smells, and coconut is one of my favorite smells in my body products. It says it naturally tones and visibly tightens your skin, which I have to give it a try and see myself. This is an 11 ml product and the price is 50 rupees. This could be my body product for any time I go to a vacation, which doesn't seem possible right now, but yeah, we have to have faith. So that's about it for this month's unboxing. I hope you liked this video. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments which product did you really like in this backpack. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, you guys be happy and keep smiling.